The other thing is the unit. I want to talk about it. If you want to set the unit or change the how the unit system is, that you just come here in the command line and type units. And when you type the units, if you press the enter, it's gonna open the units menu for me. The other way of bringing that is that if you go to that menu, to the format bar, and you can come here and click on the units as well here. So either you go to the menu, click on the units, or come here and just type units and press enter. So it will bring the menu with the units menu here. So when the unit windows open, so you can go there and change the type of the units here. Right now is at decimal. You can use it to any of the other one, for example, to scientific, depend on how you want them, the units be presented. And it's going to show you this the sample output here. For example, I change it to scientific, so it's going to present it as scientific. It's going to be any other format that you want, so you can have it there. And then, for example, you can go and say how many precision you want. For example, we'll say either of these or might be depend on what you're drawing. You choose that. For example, if you're drawing a dimension of the building, and the units usually you're going to use is going to be in meter and centimeter. You never go to the millimeter, let alone that you go to the fraction of millimeter. But if you are, for example, drawing something very precise, then you might to go to so many significant figures after the point. So depend on what you are doing. The same here. Also, you can go and define your what degrees you want to use. For example, right now it's in decimal degrees, but you wanted to have it in degrees, minute, or second. You can use it. If you want it in for example radian, you can use it, or any other way. And also you can set the precision of the unit you want. So, and if you have here, come here, click on that, it tells you you can change the unit system you want to have. One thing is that when you're drawing, make sure that you set that unit system at the very beginning, because right now everything I'm gonna draw, if I draw anything with the length of 10, the AutoCAD considers as a 10 millimeter, and I cannot come back and later it's gonna make a headache if I for example, I want to draw 10-inch and then my units in millimeters. So make sure at the very beginning you come here, make sure all the units are right. As I said, if you start from the template, usually these things are set if you start from the template. If you do not start from the template, then you probably need to come here and set them.